learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And once again, we've arrived at another lesson to learn more about the Hakka culture through how about their proverbs. 每一个文化都有谚语啊，其实客家人好像谚语特别多哦。
其实也没有特别多啦，就一般般啦。
因为我们常教，就觉得客家的谚语我了解的比英文的还要多很多。
真的，哇，你是客家人呢？
我现在是哈嘎语啊，
哈嘎语呢？对，哈嘎语。
所以今天教什么谚语呢 ，Leo？
好，今天教了跟结婚有关系的谚语。
Interesting. This is cool. Maybe this will bring good luck and blessings to me because it's a proverb about marriage. 好，到底是什么样的谚语呢？
我们今天要教的这谚语就是“新娘同一户，每年脚出户”。
新娘同一户，每年脚出户哦。这个还蛮饶舌的啊。Break it down for us. 到底这一句话什么意思？一句一句来，一段一段来。
就是新娘就是新娘。
Oh, that's the bride. Okay.
对，新娘同一户就是把她娶进来。
把她讨进来了，讨到屋子里来了。
是的。
Okay, after you marry a wife into your house, 那后面要怎么样？好好的对待她，好爱她。
是啊，当然啦。但是后面那一句是每年就是媒人，
媒人
就叫她赶快滚，赶出去。
这么冷血啊！
是的，你看是不是过河拆桥
okay, so the second part is about kicking someone out, not the bride, of course.
他的意思就是主要就是有点像是过河拆桥啦，就是你帮我完成一件事之后呢，那后面呢你没有利用价值，我就叫你谢谢再联络。
Okay, so 新娘叫做怎么说？
新娘，
好好的娶进来之后呢，媒人。Moinin, that's the matchmaker. 赶快让他走了。Let's hear the explanation in English.
A long time ago, people relied upon matchmakers to find the perfect mate, and they were often held with high regard in society. The Hakka proverb, after the bride is in the house, the matchmaker is kicked out, means when you have successfully married, matchmakers are no longer needed.We often value people when they're of use to us, but disregard them once they've served their purpose, as harsh as it may seem. In other words, use them, then lose them.
And Leo, repeat that proverb one more time.
新娘同一户，每年脚出户。
All right, hopefully this will bring luck to those who want to get married. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.